7 simple steps of Hajj, every pilgrim must follow. Walking around the Kaaba 7 times. Pilgrims start Hajj by wearing Ihram, perform Tawaf in Mecca, and then head to Mina on the 8th of Dhul-Hijjah to pray 5 times and stay overnight. Pray all day on Mount Arafat. On the 9th of Dhul-Hijjah, pilgrims gather at Arafah for the day of Arafat, praying and performing wukuf to remember Prophet Muhammad's final sermon. Muzdalifah. As the sun sets, pilgrims depart for Muzdalifah to collect pebbles and spend the night under the open sky. At dawn, they pray Fajr and leave for Mina before sunrise. Stoning the Devil. On the 10th of Dhul-Hijjah, pilgrims stone the Jamarat in Mina, commemorating Prophet Ibrahim's rejection of the devil. Then they sacrifice an animal, leave Ihram, and go to Mecca for Tawaf al-Ifada. Al-Safa and Al-Marwa. In Mecca, pilgrims circle the Kaaba, perform Sa'i, drink from the Zamzam well, and return to Mina. Stone the devil for up to 3 days in Mina. Pilgrims stay in Mina for 2-3 days, stoning the devil at the 3 pillars on the 11th and 12th of Dhul-Hijjah to avoid overcrowding. Farewell Tawaf. After this ritual, pilgrims return to Mecca for the final Farewell Tawaf, marking the end of Hajj. May Almighty Allah grant everyone this blessed journey once in a lifetime. Subscribe our YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more videos.